Recently I had the opportunity to go spend a few short hours in mountain paradise, and I am not talking about the ski slopes within Niseko. A colleague and I through work had the opportunity to go spend a little bit of time at Hakuvillas. Hakuvillas is a collection of luxurious apartments just a few short meters down from the Hirafu gondola, and as you can see it really aims to deliver a unique tailored alpine experience to its guests. From the moment I arrived to the moment I left, I was taken aback by how much attention to detail there was, and also just how high the standard of service was. As from what you've seen so far, everything's pretty spectacular, and I'm hoping that the rest of this video is going to really show you just exactly how amazing this place is. So let's jump right back in.
So this is the
private lift.
Private lift, only for super penthouse.
Super penthouse. Sauna.
Yes. No one can say no to it.
Ah. Right, see you later everyone. If privacy, luxury and quality is what you're after, then Hakuvillas certainly provides that. I just want to take the time now to thank them and also to thank my company for giving me the opportunity to go and experience what Hakuvillas and also Haku Steak has to offer. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As I mentioned before, I'm really trying to showcase other aspects of the ski industry while I'm out here, and hopefully I'd like to bring more of this to you in the future. If you've liked this type of video, please hit the like and the subscribe button down there and hit the notification button. Catch you next time. Bye.